every choice filled with regret, till the night we were done. So sick and tired of trying to listen, but feeling so misunderstood.